Music. Is DigitalOcean the right cloud provider for you? Let's find out. I'm reviewing DigitalOcean, a cloud platform built for simplicity and developers. Check the description for links. Designed for developers, startups, and businesses seeking affordable cloud hosting, DigitalOcean makes deploying apps, websites, and databases easy. They offer everything from virtual servers, called droplets, to managed Kubernetes. Simplicity is key. Unlike some overwhelming cloud platforms, DigitalOcean's dashboard is clean and intuitive. Spinning up a droplet takes clicks, and their documentation and community support make troubleshooting a breeze. Pre-configured one-click apps like WordPress, LAMP, and Docker get you running fast without manual configuration. DigitalOcean is known for its affordability. Pricing is transparent, with no hidden fees. Droplets start at just $5 a month, perfect for small projects, personal sites, and budget-conscious startups. Need to scale? DigitalOcean offers managed databases and load balancers that adapt to your growth. Their robust API lets developers automate and manage infrastructure programmatically, whether it's a single app or a multi-server setup. DigitalOcean is a great choice for developers and businesses needing a straightforward, cost-effective cloud solution. From small websites to complex infrastructures, DigitalOcean delivers the tools and performance you need. Get started with the links below.